Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Saka Fet. Hope everybody's doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So today we got basically a wig that just, honey, I don't know, it's just miserable. You know those kind of wigs where you really want to throw them, but you're like, what about reviving it? Well, we're about to do that. This is very simple. Anybody can do it. I'm going in with my Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo. I'm just placing that all over the hair. I like this shampoo because it doesn't strip the hair entirely of the moisture, but it also does a good job at cleaning. And I'm doing some finger detangling because, honey, this wig have not been detangled. The struggle just was real. Like, that was my, I don't know, like that was my go-to wig last semester. So it's understandable. Don't judge me. I bleached the knots on this unit, as you can see. Now I'm going with my silicone mix, and I'm going into that, but I would advise, if you have conditioner at home, go ahead and use your conditioner for this step, as it will save you on silicone mix. I'm using my silicone mix, and I am going in and attempting to detangle this wig from the bottom up. You will see me doing all sorts of detangling method, like detangling the bottom and then going back from the top to the bottom, because this wig has been through World War III, okay? To judge it. Then I'm using my brush and I'm just going ahead and ensuring that this wig is detangled and ensuring that the product gets through the curls, defining the curls some more. That's why I use a brush. Oh man, you can see the girls. They're bomb, girlfriend. They're coming through. They're clumped. They're nice. They're neat. My sister said that I would not be able to revive this wig. Well, look at that. But there was quite a bit of shading, so I don't know. I know what's happening, premium. Come on. Now, because I use silicone mix, there's no need for me to rinse off the hair. But if you're using your conditioner, you can go ahead and rinse off that product and then go in with your silicone mix for this step. So I'm just going in and I'm just adding on some more product in case I lost any through the detangling, ensuring that the hair is covered in hot water. The hot water would help the hair to clump, help the curls to clump together, almost crimps it, but helps it also to retain this silky moisture looking finish. It's almost like a form of deep conditioning for me. You want to leave that in for a couple of minutes. Now you're seeing me just going ahead and rinsing off that product, and now you can see the curls are very juicy. After rinsing the hair, go ahead and ensure that the hair is placed to dry. I leave my hair to air dry. Now you're seeing me going in with a blade. I'm just cutting any excess lace. So honey, I didn't really fancy glue, but like I was just in the moment, so I'm just going with my got-to-be glue, and I'm just putting that around the perimeter of my head, very light. It's all your preference. If you don't mind your edges, being ripped up, then that's fine. It's kind of a very drying solution too. Like, I don't know, like I just can't do it often, but that's just me. You can see me trying to go in and do some kind of baby hair scene. Like, child, listen, if baby hairs is not your style, you do not need to do them. But if you are interested in baby hairs, I would advise that you pluck the frontal. I personally, just in that time, I was like, I needed to get this video done. So now that you've seen me doing this swoop, so that's just basically it. I just swoop, next side, swoop to next side. I mean, like, we could do a detailed video on baby hairs if it's necessary. But there are so many videos on the internet with how to do baby hairs. But like, I don't know, if it's necessary, we can do something. Then I'm just going in for a strip and I'm just tying that down. I'm just ensuring that my part is clear. We're going in for our most to just ensure that we define the curls. Now, the first way you're seeing me doing the curls is basically semi-wet. I'm not wetting it too much. Some people do not like the wet look. Some people prefer the wet look. It's up to you, honey. Like, do you? Like, what makes you happy? Do you? If you do not like the wet look, then just what you're seeing me there, I'm just fluffing up the curls to get the product all over. Basically, at the point you will stop. It's wet, it's defined, but it's not extreme. Like, it's not like wet. It's more full that way as well. So if that's the way you prefer, then go ahead. Now you can see me just cutting off that wrap. That is practically it. Like, this is so easy. Like, anybody could do this. Like, I basically used just 2 products in my comb, and we were able to revive this wig back to its normal state. So hats off to Premium Lace, man. This wig is bomb, and it's able to, let me tell you, it's able to withstand the hardest of hardest times. You seen me going in with some water and a spray bottle, and I'm just giving you the second version to this. Is the wet version, the wet curls, and that is practically it. You can see me feeling myself, feeling myself. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, like, leave a comment below. Catch you on the next one.